Though bar charts are great for many tasks, they do have some downsides to consider. The first is their limited ability for data display. Bar charts focus primarily on showing the magnitude of different categories of a single variable. They do not effectively represent the underlying data distribution, outliers, or variability within a category. This can be misleading if the data within a category is spread out. Number two, complexity with many categories. When dealing with many categories, bar charts can become cluttered and difficult to interpret. The limited space on the x-axis can make it hard to distinguish between bars, hindering clear comparisons. And number three, there's a huge misinterpretation potential. Bar charts can be susceptible to manipulation by changing the scale on the y-axis. A drastic change can exaggerate or downplay differences between categories. Look at this example with the normal scale on the y-axis from 0 to 70. It's exactly the same data I plotted here, but this time I adjusted the scale to start at around 35. Do you notice how it exaggerates the difference between fever and headache? So bar charts can be manipulated to exaggerate or downplay differences. And finally, bar charts are unsuitable for continuous data. While they can work for certain continuous data with clear categories, e.g. age ranges, bar charts are not ideal for showcasing data with final gradations, e.g. temperature variations or the rest. Line charts are better suited for continuous data. So these are the disadvantages of bar charts. They have limited ability to display data. They can have complexity when you have multiple categories. They have a misinterpretation potential and are unsuitable for continuous data. Easy peasy. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever used bar charts before and what your experience was. Now, if you gained value with this video, please drop a like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to learn more about the advantages or merits of bar charts, then check out this video here. And for histograms, check out this other video right here. See you in the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.